Okay, so 9/40ths minus 1/30th. So we're subtracting fractions. We must make the bottoms the same. We must multiply by unit fractions to figure out some way to make the bottoms the same, right? There's lots of methods of trying to figure out what the lowest common denominator is. Let me give you some suggestions. Give me multiples of 40. 40 and then 2 40s is what? Good. And then another 40 would be 120, and then another one just for fun, 160, right? How about 30s? 30. Yeah, right, because 30 goes 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. And so doing it that way, you can say, hey, there we go. That's the lowest common denominator, and you can use that, right? Right. So another way is to kind of, you could factor the bottoms. So like in any case, so I guess we'll go along with this, and I'll come back to another way. So in other words, we're thinking what times 40 gives 120, right? What number times 40 gives 120? Because we decided now that these are going to be 120s, right? No. What multiplied by 40 gives 120? What number? It's not 30. Nope. Think of it this way. 40 times 2 is 80, isn't it? 40 times 3 is 120. Yeah. Right. 3 40s. 40, 80, 120. 3 of them. Yep, 3. Yep. And so, and multiply, so 3 times 40 is 100, and 3 on the top. 3 times 9 is? Yep. Right. So, 30, so going off, so the 9/40ths becomes 27/120ths. They are the same thing, they just look different. It's kind of like, what would you prefer, 5 dimes or a half a dollar? Which? Which is better? Are they the same? They're the same, they just look different. No, in fact, they're both 0.5. As a decimal, it's just 0.5. Right. Similarly here, these are the exact same thing, they just look different. Okay, so 1/30th. 30 times what gives 120? Good. And how about the top? Right. 30 times 4 is 120, and 1 times 4 is 4, right? So 1/30th becomes 4/120ths. The same quantity, just looks different. Different denominator. Common denominator. Yeah, the lowest common denominator, right? Yeah. So subtract now, what do we get? 27/120ths minus 4/120ths. Yeah. Yeah. Now, can we simplify the answer any further? Can we reduce that fraction? Nope. It does not. It does not. So that's it. Alright. So what I want to run over on this one is I want you all to first factor the bottoms. So go 9 over and write 40 as what times 10? 40 is what number times 10? Lovely. Okay. And factorize 30 and what do you get? Yeah. 3 times 10, right? So instead of going through the lowest common denominator thing, we can factor the bottoms. And now just tell me what's kind of missing over here and what's missing over here. Ah, there's a kind of a 3 missing there, isn't it? Because now we'd have 3, 4, 10. Now we've got a 3, a 10. What's missing over here? Ah, there you go. So on both bottoms we got 3, 4, 10. 3, 4, 10. See? Same thing. Now you multiply them, you get 120 either way, right? So that's a better way, actually. Yeah, it's actually the algebra way of doing it, because you guys are going to see stuff like, you might see some algebra where you've got to do that. You might see, what you call it, you know, you might see like, you know, 1 over xy minus 3 over xz, sorry. And then what's missing over here? If I was to make the bottoms the same, what do I need over here? Good. And what do I need over here? I got x, y, z. Oh, I need a y. Oh, there you go. See, it's not hard, is it? Look at that. And so the answer is z over x, y, z. Sorry, z over x, y, z. Minus 3 times y. 3y over x, y, z. There you go. And you can combine the bottoms, and you just, the top is just, look, it's z minus 3y over x, y, z. There you go. And that's algebra. So there you go. Simple as that. Right.